Now we're just taking acetone and cotton rounds to the midsole of these full grade 9s. We'll get that base paint off. We're gonna do our thing. Do the thing. Get these looking right. Strip this right down to the bare midsole. Try to get these boys right again. So you can see a lot of cracking going on there. I mean, you already know it's a whole grade Jordan 9. Shit is dope. As long as we can get it right. You know what I mean? Which I don't see any reason why we couldn't. Are you still there? Gotcha. Alright, so now I'm just trying to clean this brush up because I don't want to take another brush out. I just use this thing for 10 minutes. So just get a little acetone, get the gray paint out of it, and then we're going to move on to the white paint and get going on those. That looks pretty good. Get rid of those. Get that light out of my face. Those down there. Alright, so gotta make sure Make sure that moisture is off of there. And now we go to the white. Now there might still be a little gray left in this brush, so I'm going to start down here on the bottom where it's not real noticeable, just in case the color bleeds out a little bit. Now this is going to take a few coats to get right, which is fine. Just more time consuming. Now, since we're doing a Jordan 9, let me ask y'all a question. What is your favorite Jordan 9? If you could only have one 9 for the rest of your life, what would it be? And why? Sentimental? Look? I mean, what's the reason why that would be your choice? Leave an answer in the comments. Like, subscribe. You know, I'm just starting out. I need all the support I can get. I'm going to do my best to bring you guys some good content. Just bear with me. Like I said, I'm just starting out. I'm still trying to get the hang of things and figure it out. But I will figure it out. And I promise you, keep watching. I'm going to make it big. I promise. And I'll tell you why. Because the hustle is in my blood. The hustle is absolutely in my blood. The hardest part of this for me is finding a video editor that's right for the job. I found one that I could upload the video. I found one where I could make a voiceover. I found one that can do both. But the problem is, the one I found that could do both doesn't let me upload the videos out of it to YouTube. So if you have any suggestions on a good video editor that works and is YouTube compatible, also leave that in the comments. Yeah, this is definitely going to take a few coats. That's alright though. Y'all got time? I mean, I got nothing but time. Now also, I want to know, what kind of content do you guys want? As far as sneakers, I'm going to try to limit it to sneakers, but I'll go outside of sneakers too. I don't really care. It's whatever you guys like, whatever you want to see, that's what I'm going to make. I like sneakers. I'm a fan of sneakers. That's what I do. So I would like to keep it around that because that's where most of my knowledge is at. But I also played football for 25 years. So, I mean, there's options. There's options. But really, the feedback, I just need the feedback. You let me know what you guys want to see, what you like. I'm going to do whatever it takes to make you guys happy and give you guys content that you want to watch. Because I know, man, a lot of these videos get boring, bro. Boring as hell. I don't want y'all to be bored. I want y'all to come. I want y'all to learn something. I want you to see some shit, and I want you to have fun, man. If we ain't having fun, what's the point? Nah, man, this paint. You can barely even tell I'm putting anything on it. This is crazy. Look, you can't even see that. Shit. Who's that dude from The Wire? Fucking governor there. Shit. That show was the shit, man. I wish they'd branch off, make a show like that. The Wire. That was a great show. I actually just rewatched the series last week. That was one of my favorite shows. I think my all-time favorite show is Law and Order SVU. And I think that's just more like a sentimental thing. I used to watch it with my grandmother when I was a kid, and she's gone now. So I think it just brings back fond memories of being a little kid, getting to stay up late because I was at grandparents' house, getting to eat the junk food that they bought because my mother wasn't letting me have none of that. It was just the experience, man. I'm trying to upload a video right now too of all the upcoming drops of 2021, all the Jordan drops. We got some heat coming for sure. Yes, the Travis Scott 6s are coming. We're supposed to get the Chicago 1 Dior's. Definitely got some heat on the way, allegedly. Allegedly. You heard me right. Look, Dior Jordan 1s, Chicago's, retailing for $2,000. Something like little 2 racks retail. I know I can't afford no $2,000 retail. I'm broke. This motherfucker didn't get a stimulus check. I need to be. Somebody needs to stimulate me. Pause. I'm going to let this first coat dry. I'm going to take a smoke break. Boom. I'm going to take a little smoke break while that dries up. I'll see y'all soon.